The Mazda CX-90 is hiding 9 features that 99% of owners will drive right past for years. Some of them the most impressive things this SUV is capable of. If you own one and feel like you've already figured out what you paid for, the engineering that justifies this vehicle's price is likely still invisible to you. Most buyers trust the manual and a test drive to tell the whole story. But Mazda engineered hidden capabilities into this SUV, ranging from a chassis system borrowed from a sports car to turn signals that pulse like a heartbeat, and none of them appear in any documentation. Number 9. Software-based chassis optimization. A system called Kinematic Posture Control is running quietly inside the CX-90's chassis software, and most owners have no idea it's there. Borrowed from the MX-5 Miata, KPC is an unexpected addition to a 3-row family SUV. The system tracks lateral G-forces continuously. When a corner crosses a specific threshold, a small braking force is applied to the inner rear wheel, pulling the body toward the road and countering the outward lean large SUVs typically generate. No air suspension, no hydraulic hardware, just software through the existing brake system. No signal on the dashboard marks its engagement. No button, no mode. If the throttle stays open mid-corner, KPC increases its intervention automatically, sharpening response further. A 5,000-pound SUV is being quietly managed beneath the surface, and the system doing it doesn't appear on any spec sheet. What comes next works before you even open the door. Number 8. Key fob shortcuts. Before the door opens, the CX-90 is already working. A specific key fob sequence rolls all 4 windows down remotely, venting the cabin before entry. No app or remote start required. There's a reason this matters in summer. Climbing into a vehicle that's been sitting in direct sun for hours is one of the more reliably unpleasant parts of car ownership, and this feature exists to solve it. 3 quick presses of the unlock button, followed immediately by a held 4th press, lowers the windows for as long as that press is maintained. Release, and they stop exactly where they are. The 3+1 sequence is deliberate. A standard press and hold risks accidental activation when the fob is compressed in a bag. Mazda's rhythmic input means the windows only move when intended. Paired with remote start, airing the cabin first gives the climate system a lighter cooling load before the drive begins. That thinking runs through every layer of this vehicle, but number 7 hides it where most owners would never think to look. Number 7. Cultural philosophy of interior space. The stitching across the dashboard and door panels in Premium Plus and Signature trims is not decoration. Premium Plus starts around $54,000 with the 3.3-liter turbocharged inline-6 producing 340 horsepower. Signature follows at around $57,000 with the same engine or the available plug-in hybrid. What both share is kakanui, a traditional Japanese hanging stitch technique rooted in centuries of craft. The method stitches 2 materials together with a deliberate gap, creating depth that allows textures to interact with light in ways standard stitching can't replicate. Curly maple wood trim runs alongside it, and fabric inspired by Nishijin Ori, woven silk from Kyoto, lines the door panels, a design language with no equivalent in this segment. Number 6. Biometric personalization. An infrared camera built into the infotainment bezel is easy to miss on a walk-around. The moment the driver's seat is occupied, it's already scanning, matching the face to a locally stored numeric profile created the first time that driver sat down. What follows is automatic. The 10-way power seat, telescoping steering column, mirrors, and active driving display height are all adjusting to saved positions before anything is touched. Multiple profiles are stored for shared vehicles. No manual selection required. The deeper feature is the ideal driving position assist. Enter a height in centimeters through Mazda Connect, and an algorithm calculates the correct ergonomic position for that stature, adjusting every contact point accordingly. Poor habits like sitting too close to the wheel are being corrected through software, not guesswork. All data stays locked within the vehicle hardware, no images saved, no remote access. Getting in is handled, but getting out of a tight spot is where the next feature changes everything. Number 5. Digital transparency. The see-through view system addresses the significant blind spot that the CX-90's extended hood creates directly in front of the bumper. 4 cameras stitch their feeds in real time, rendering the bodywork as transparent on the 12.3-inch display and making objects near the fenders and bumper visible at low speeds. Anyone who has owned a large SUV knows the tension of edging forward in a tight space, not knowing precisely when the bumper will reach the wall or the car ahead. The red reference line running across the center of the screen solves that. It marks the physical edge of the bumper. Line it up with any obstacle, and the driver is working within millimeters with full visual confirmation. A trailer hitch view centers the camera directly on the hitch ball, turning solo hookups into a one-person process. That same attention to ownership practicality extends under the hood, in a spot almost no one thinks to check. Number 4. Maintenance hook. Under the hood is a detail with no equivalent in the luxury SUV segment. Twisting the two plastic latches on the engine cover doesn't remove it. Instead, the cover tilts upward on its rear hinges, staying attached while opening access to the upper engine block. Doing a fluid check typically means setting the cover somewhere and working one-handed. Mazda's solution is a small yellow hook and heat-resistant lanyard stored on the underside of the cover. Clipping it to the underside of the hood holds the cover vertical, both hands free, no tools required. The cover's underside is also lined with high-density acoustic foam, absorbing injector and turbocharger frequencies. Setting it on a garage floor contaminates that insulation over time. Keeping it elevated protects it. This is a feature designed for the owner at 100,000 miles, not the buyer in the showroom. If that level of depth in the hardware is impressive, number 3 extends it somewhere far less expected. Number 3. Diagnostic Test Mode. A hidden service screen lives inside Mazda Connect, reachable through a button sequence on the center console commander. Holding the music button, the star button, and the volume knob simultaneously for about 10 seconds, ignition in on or ACC brings up a factory service inspection screen. Inside, the rotary commander navigates hardware validation tools. The speaker check cycles through all 12 Bose drivers individually, playing tones to verify function and phase, no external equipment needed. Steering inspection displays live steering angle sensor data. Navigation inspection shows the active satellite count. Connectivity Master Unit software versions are accessible here too, useful for diagnosing wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto issues before defaulting to a factory reset. For any owner troubleshooting audio or connectivity, this screen is cutting out steps that would otherwise end at the service desk. All of that is in the software. But number 2 is something every driver sees on this vehicle, every time it signals without ever understanding what they're looking at. Number 2, heartbeat turn signals. The turn signals on the CX-90 are not operating the way most drivers expect. The dimming turn signal system, developed over 2 years alongside Stanley Electric, replicates the waveform of a human heartbeat through the LED architecture. A standard LED flashes on and off digitally. The DTS system illuminates fully, then fades through a smooth, gradual curve modeled on electrocardiogram data. Achieving consistency required engineering in increments as small as 1/100th of a second, multiple development cycles before the output met Mazda's standards. Getting biological rhythm from digital hardware demanded a purpose-built hardware-software interface. The goal is reducing the cold quality of conventional LED signals for other drivers and pedestrians. The pulse is becoming part of the vehicle's identity in a way a binary flash never could. But as deliberate as the signal is, number 1 is the architectural decision that makes everything else about how this car drives physically possible. Number 1. Unique steering design. The most impactful hidden feature in the CX-90 is not a software setting or a button combination. It's an architectural decision made before production began, one that's shaping everything about how this vehicle drives. The 3.3-liter inline-6 is mounted longitudinally, front to back, not side to side. Most large SUVs use a transverse layout, requiring wide frame rails between the front wheels to house the powertrain, and that width limits how far the wheels can turn before hitting the frame. A longitudinal layout removes that constraint. The CX-90's frame rails narrow toward the front, freeing up room in the wheel wells for a far more aggressive steering angle. Despite a wheelbase 7.5 inches longer than the outgoing CX-9, the CX-90 is delivering a turning circle 8 inches tighter. The same layout enables a rear-biased all-wheel drive system that eliminates torque steer under hard acceleration. The long hood is not a styling choice, it's a mechanical requirement, and the reason this vehicle drives the way it does. The CX-90 earns its price in places most owners will never look. A sports car chassis system manages body roll through every corner. A key fob sequence vents the cabin before the door opens. Traditional Japanese stitching widens the perceived space of the interior. A hidden service screen validates hardware without a single tool. A turn signal pulses with the rhythm of a heartbeat. These 9 features share one thing. None are advertised and all are deliberate. The more time spent with this vehicle, the more clearly that intent comes into focus. But the CX-90 is far from being the only SUV with such interesting secrets. Others have it too, including the Subaru Forester you can check out in our next video. It's not just practical and capable. This SUV also hides a couple of interesting Easter eggs.